everybody, I'm Mike and welcome. And today's going to be a quick video about my small homemade kiln. I think it was back in October or so. I was fortunate enough to visit Rick with Wooden Treasures TN, and he showed me a full-size upright freezer that he converted into a kiln. And it got me thinking, we had a broken mini fridge at work that was going to cost more to fix than it would be just to buy a new one. So they were going to trash it, so I brought it home and converted it into a small kiln right there. And I cut 4 holes, one up here and one down here, and I did the same thing on the other side. Obviously I haven't been able to make any little plastic covers or anything yet to regulate the airflow, so I'm just using duct tape, but it's working. As you can see, it keeps it between 120 and 130 degrees, depending on the temperature of the garage, which please excuse the nasty, messy garage. But anyway, I started out, Rick did a video on his the other day, and I commented, because he was talking about using a 60-watt light bulb, and I commented that's what I started out with, and it melted my fridge. So Mike with MPart said, hey, why don't you throw something up real quick to show us how you did yours. And I didn't think about it, but yeah, maybe it'll keep somebody from making the same mistakes, because a lot of people are using like these lights, and that's what I put in there first. I put it in the bottom, but you'll see it did not work out very well. After about an hour, I came out and checked, and all that was bubbled up. That was bubbled up. So we got this little wax melty thing, makes your house smell better. We're out of wax and weren't using it, so I'll put that in there, and it's working pretty good. These checks were already there when I put them in there, so they're not getting worse, but you can see it is shrinking away from the bark, so it's doing something right. And this is red bud. It's bad for cracking anyway, so, but I can't fit a lot of wood in there, but no more than I do. It works out. Plus I have a little storage area for random stuff, just to keep the garage from getting too messy, which is not really working. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm pretty sure the reason it melted is because it's so small, and that 60-watt bulb is just too much for that little bitty area. So yeah, that's all I can think of. You see just that little bit, it dropped down to 116. See, it's coming up pretty quick. So it doesn't take long to heat back up, which is good. And you know, better than nothing, I guess. But I'll do some videos later on, maybe to show how well or not well it's working. I don't know what the moisture content is of the wood there. I got my moisture meter checker doohickey, and I put it on the ends of those logs, and it didn't read anything. So I don't know what it's like in the middle. Once I cut them up, I'll try it out and show that. But yeah, that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions, and check out Rick's video. He's got a nice setup. So yeah, have a good day, have a blessed day, and hope you have a Merry Christmas.